Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey with the Forex. Quick look at the dollar versus Swiss franc. Today's date is May 7, 2024. Let's get started. Looking at the hourly chart of this currency pair, in trading on Monday, we saw up and down price action closing near the highs, and that momentum continued into the Asian session. The high price in the early Asian session moved up to test the 200 bar moving average on the 4-hour chart. That's this green line right here. Backed off against that level and then rotated to the upside, breaking above that 200 bar moving average briefly in the European session. Well, not briefly. This is, for an hour or so before the price then rotated back to the downside. And as you can see, we traded to new session lows in trading here today in the last hour of trading. And so the buyers had their shot above the 200 bar moving average. We also moved above this swing area through here, which has a number of different swing lows and swing highs going back in time, mostly sealing through here, then became a floor through here, broke sharply to the downside on this day, but then rotated back to the upside. And it wasn't until last Friday that the price moved below that level after the U.S. jobs report. We also fell below the 200 bar moving average here. So this area and the 200 bar moving average was key. And once again, the buyers had their chance above that level and failed, rotating back to the downside. So sellers remain more in control. We'll look for this area right here to now become resistance right here. And along with the 200 bar moving average, I guess you can't ignore it. As long as the price remains below those levels, the sellers remain in control for this currency pair. And we'll look for ultimately a rotation back down toward the 38.2% retracement, which happened to be where the low price bottomed in trading yesterday. So be aware, be prepared. That's my look at the dollar versus Swiss for May 7th. My name is Greg Michalowski. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.